Okay, since it's Halloween, I really don't know what to do. Let me think for who it should be for Halloween. I got it! Captain Underpants from Lunch Lady, such a great idea. Now let me go to a house and knock for candy so I can get the cavities. Hello? Hey, trick or treat. Oh, here you go. Have a good one. The heck is this? I didn't want this.
Oh, sorry, I meant to give you the good treats. Here you go.
Oh my gosh, it's such a great day. I'm gonna get so many candy. I hope I get so many candy. Well, that was such a great time. I guess I'm gonna go somewhere. Like, for example, this haunted house. Let me go inside here. Whee! Never mind. I should have never come in here. This is the... What the heck is that?
You wanna have a dab time?
Nope. But that's that was such a great day for Christmas. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. And remember, kids, always collect your Easter eggs at 2 a.m. to meet cheese.